big expression, whenever we write SQL queries, where clause, so such kind of expression you can write it down here and filter your values, like based on your not available for the single value, you can add multiple, filters, conditions over here, and you can get the output accordingly. I think I explained filter earlier, but not like this way, because these are few tools which are designed specific for the data purpose to optimize our workflow, and you can see the output is like in a nice way. So it is filtering, it's working fine. Even you can combine all together all the output, so it will be depends like on the build requirement. Next thing, what I want to show you, the group by, if we can recall, like we were trying to do, but in group, in Alteryx, there is a different way, like they are maintaining some key pair values, like indexing kind of value for the two.
Output file, I don't know, let's say Tableau or Excel or whatever. So then you have a live data saying, okay, you can, this is the real live data from SAP, and this is the exit with, I don't know, Tableau.
Yes.
What actually, what do you think is most used actually? I don't know. This is something you know about. If you have like a live data example, yeah. Or any other way, so like it takes the data from, I don't know, JD Edwards or our databases. Okay. Yeah, and yeah, especially formulas. I know what I think is still, as what I think what I would probably need is like kind of formulas. Yeah, I'm not. Yeah, like a little bit of programming and formulas. I don't know how relevant they are.
Okay, I got it.
This is just the demo of Alteryx. To learn, visit www.edbhoomi.com and book your slots today.